Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 6th maths on my YouTube channel. We will continue practice at 24 on textbook page number 47. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide, what is the maximum possible length of each bed? To find maximum possible length of each bed is to find HCF. Factors of 18. You have tried which number tables are going of number 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 15. You have tried which number tables are going of number 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Underline the common factors. Common factors are 1 and 3. HCF 3. Therefore, maximum possible length of each bed is 3. Two ropes, one 8 meters long and the other 12 meters long, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will the maximum possible length of each piece be? To find maximum possible length of each piece is to find HCF. Factors of 8. You have tried which number tables are going of number 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12. You have tried which number tables are going of number 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Underline the common factors. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. HCF 4. Therefore, maximum possible length of each piece is 4. The number of students of Standard 6th and Standard 7th who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger Project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196 respectively. The students of each class are to be divided into groups of the same number of students. Each group can have a paid guide. What is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? Why do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students? To find maximum possible number of students is to find HCF. Let's find factors of 140 by using prime factors division method. The unit place is 0 of the number 140. So it is going 2 table. 2 70s are 140. The unit place is 0 of the number 70. So again it is going 2 table. 2 35s are 70. Number 35 is not going 2 table, 3 table. Directly it will go 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 7 is the prime number. If there is prime number, divide the 7 you have to write as it is. 7 1s are 7. 140 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now let's find factors of 196 by using prime factors division method. The unit place is 6 of the number 196. So it is divisible by 2. I have divided 196 by 2. Quotient is getting 98. So 2 98s are 196. The unit place is 8 of the number 98. So it is divisible by 2. I have divided 98 divided by 2. Quotient is getting 49. So 2 49s are 98. Now number 49 is directly going 7 table. 7 7s are 49. 7 is the prime number. Prime number you have to write as it is and you have to divide by same number, that is 7. 7 1s are 7. 196 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Underline and multiply the common factors and that will be the HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. That is equal to 28. Therefore, maximum possible number of students is 28. At the Rice Research Center at Tumsar, there are 2610 kg of seeds of the Basmati variety and 1980 kg of the Indrayani variety. If the maximum possible weight of seeds has to be filled to make bags of equal weight, what should be the weight of each bag? How many bags of each variety will there be? To find maximum possible weight of seeds of each bag is to find HCF. Let's find the factors of 2610 by using prime factors method. The unit place is 0 of the number 2610, so it is divisible by 2. I have divided the number 2610 by 2. I am getting the quotient 1305. 2 into 1305 are 2610. Now unit place 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. Then you have checked 3 table. The sum of the digits of the number 1305 are 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5. Answer is 9. So the number 9 is going 3 table. So this number is divisible by 3. I have already divided 1305 divided by 3. I am getting the quotient 435. 3 435s are 1305. The sum of the digit of the number 435 is 4 plus 3 plus 5, that is 12. Number 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. I have divided 435 by 3. Quotient is 145. 3 145s are 435. The sum of the digits of the number 145 is 1 plus 4 plus 5, that is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Then directly I will take 5 table. I have divided 145 by 5. Quotient is getting 29. 5 29s are 145. 29 is the prime number. It is not going any table. So 29 divisor you have to take as it is. 29 ones are 29. Divisors which you already divided step by step, they are the prime factors. These prime factors you have to write multiplication form of the number 2610. 2610 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 29. Now let's find the factors of 1980 by using prime factors method. The unit place is 0 of the number 1980. So this number is divisible by 2. I have already divided 1980 by 2. I am getting the quotient 990. 2 990s are 1980. The unit place is 0 of the number 990. So again this number is divisible by 2. I have divided the number 990 by 2. I am getting the quotient 495. 2 495s are 990. Now the unit place is 5 of the number 495. So it is not divisible by 2. Then you have check 3 table. The sum of the digits of the number 495 is 4 plus 9 plus 5. That is 18. Number 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So divide the number 495 by 3. I have divided the number 495 by 3. I am getting the quotient 165. 3 165s are 495. The sum of the digits of the number 165 is 1 plus 6 plus 5. Answer is 12. Number 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Divide the number 165 by 3. I have divided the number 165 by 3. I am getting the quotient 55. 3 55s are 165. The sum of the digit of the number 55 is 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Then directly you have to take 5 table. 5 11s are 55. 11 is the prime number. So prime number you have to take same divisor, that is 11 ones are 11. The prime factors of number 1980 are 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5. Divisors which you have already divided step by step, they are the prime factors. These prime factors you have to write multiplication form. 1980, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. Underline the common factors. And you have to multiply these common factors. HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. That is equal to 90. Now you have to find bags containing basmati variety and bags containing Indrayani variety by dividing by HCF. Bags containing basmati variety, that is equal to 2610 divided by 90. That is equal to 2610 upon 90. Cancel 1 0 on numerator and denominator. Then you have to divide 261 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 26 minus 18. Answer is 8. Then 1 you have to bring down. Then 9 nines are 81. That is equal to 29. Bags containing Indrayani variety, that is equal to 1980 divided by HCF, that is divided by 90. That is equal to 1980 upon 90. Cancel 0 on numerator and denominator. Then you have to divide 198 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 19 minus 18, 1. 8 you have to bring down. Then 9 twos are 18. That is equal to 22. If you understood class 6 maths, practice set 24 part 2 on textbook page number 47, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.